Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP Paula Llewellyn, is cautioning that there are competing issues to be weighed before there is a rush to judgment regarding corruption cases. She was speaking at an anti-corruption training seminar today. Meanwhile, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck believes issues of corruption must not be used for political point scoring. We have more in this report.
The Rural Reid corruption saga is the latest high-profile case that is now raging in the public domain. The DPP made no reference to the case, but she was prepared to declare that the public has not turned a blind eye to corruption.
Recent events have shown us that the public is totally engaged.
Despite the intense interest of the public, the DPP said a tightrope has to be walked in balancing two things: the court of public opinion and the court of law. There was a call for prosecutors to inform themselves about what is needed to secure a conviction. It was stressed that cooperation is needed between investigators and prosecutors.
Although even in the court of public opinion, it is quite clear that it is the most egregious case of corruption, in the court of law, it may emerge that we are embarrassed because we are not able to mount a viable case. So you have to make sure you know the law. You know the ingredients of the offense. You are proactive, and you are proactive in the way that you work with your investigators, who themselves may be caught up with the court of public opinion. So you have to engage your investigators from very early, from you get the file.
Meanwhile, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck cautioned against politicizing corruption matters.
When we make it into a political problem, we are shifting the focus from the real problem that it is, the Jamaica problem. And when you put it into the politics, you are not looking at goals being scored, but goals scored against. So the effect of it is that each party is saying, look how many times you had corruption. When indeed, all Jamaica, including the both political parties, should speak out against corruption in unity.
In the meantime, Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Monroe, highlighted that there have been gains in the anti-corruption fight. MOCA and the DPP's office score favorably among those entities dealing with corruption.
We have made progress, but there's an amber light on the dashboard. No reach a red light yet. So there's still fuel in the tank.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.